Hello friends, our project is image steganography. The goal of steganography is to hide messages inside other harmless messages in a way that does not allow any enemy to even detect that there is a second secret message present in it. Here first harmless message indicates that they contain information in the form of text or PDF files. Second message indicates that images. So steganography is hiding of information inside the images. In the existed system there is only one way to hide the text in images. There is no other process to choose the effective algorithm from group of algorithms available. In the existing system, there is a chance of wastage of memory usage because there is no way to know about the percentage of space occupied in the image and how much is the space available in the images to embed more information. In order to overcome the limitations of the existing systems, we have developed this application with the following features. Introducing steganography algorithms like battleship steganography, blind hide, dynamic battleship steganography, dynamic filter first, hide and seek. These are the algorithms available in the proposed system. We are also reducing the memory usage by embedding read bar. The embedding read bar shown on the encoding panel which shows the percentage of space available for steganography. Authentication is also provided by a specific key, which is also known as password. Here technologies used are Java. Java is the object-oriented language developed by Sun Microsystems in 1990. The primary motivation of this language was the need for a platform independent. The different features of Java. It is simple because we know C++ which is object-oriented language and it is platform independent language. It is secure. It is high performance object-oriented language and robustness. This application for steganography is designed for hiding the information in the images, wherein the information embedded with the images. This embedded image is transferred to the destination, wherein decrypting is not possible directly. This application is provided with key, where encrypted information can be decrypted using this key, which is a security feature to the system. This information is embedded with the images using different algorithms available. The algorithms are battleship steganography, blind hide, dynamic battleship steganography, dynamic filter first, hide and seek algorithms. Blind hide. Among all the available algorithms, this is the simplest way to hide information in an image. It starts from the top left corner of the image and works its way across the image pixel by pixel. It changes the least significant bits of the pixel colors to match the message. Coming to the second algorithm, hide and seek, this algorithm randomly distributes the message across the image. It uses a key to generate a random values and uses this value to pick the first position to hide it. It continues to randomly generate the positions until it has finished hiding the message. The other algorithm is filter first algorithm. The algorithm filters the image first and then hides in highest filter value first. It is less noticeable area on an image because using a filter we are hiding in parts of the image that are least noticeable. Next algorithm is battleship algorithm. This first filters the image and then uses highest filter value as ships. Then it randomly shoots the image and when it finds the ship, it hides the data at that position. It is fairly effective because it is hiding majority of information in best areas. It is only because of the battleship ship's property. The ships are in such a way that they find the next ships that are best in not degrading the quality of the images. The other two algorithms are dynamic battleship and filter first algorithms. These two algorithms do the same as battleship and filter first except that they use dynamic programming to make the hidden process faster and less memory intensive. The procedure of the running the application is there are two parts in running the application. They are encoding and decoding. First in encoding, initially select a text file, then select an image to embed the text file into it. Next, provide a key such that the embedded image is secure. This is password. Next, an algorithm for hiding must be selected. Next, now the text file is embedded into the image by using the selected algorithm. The produced image is called as stego image after this encoding process. This can be seen by running the following application. That is first there are two options on the tab. Two tabs are there: encode and decode. First option, encode. Initially select Get message. Message can be taken by using the option get message. Here the a text message is there called test. It is taken. Next, an image can be selected by using get cover option. This can be viewed by using this view option. Next, enter any password like 123. Next, re-enter password 123. Next, here select an algorithm called. You can select among the 6 algorithms. I am selecting blind head algorithms. Next, here set image is the name of Stego image to be produced. We will be generating by. You will type TV. TV is the image which is to be generated. If we press go, then Stego image will be produced. Here, current embedding rate bar option shows that how much space of image is occupied by the information and how much space of memory is remaining to be embedded. Now here I am pressing go. That will produce the Stego image. Thus the encoding process will be done by this. Now the embedded message which is called the Stego image is then transferred to the destination party, which is to be decoded. In the decoding process, first select the Stego image to extract the text file. Next, provide a key, that is password, that should be same as the provided in the embedding process. Next, select the algorithm which is same as encoding process, and the options should be the same. This can be shown by the following procedure. Decode, we should press the decode option. Get image, this is the Stego image should be taken. Next, enter the password same as the before, same as the encoding process. Select an algorithm to use. The select algorithm is blind head algorithm. Next, set message. Set message is the message after extracting the information. The extracted information is stored in this message. Next, if we press go, the message will be decrypted and stored in those areas. Observe two files here, test and SMT. Test is the file which is embedded in the image that contain the information called image technography. Shifts are the areas to fix the data. Now, after decoding the image, the information is stored in this file called SMT file. It is having the same data, image technography. Shifts are the areas to fix the data. So by this image technography, secret communication between two parties is possible. Next, block diagram of this application. First, message to be encoded is given to the embedding algorithm. With this, the message is and an image will be given, that is to be the message to be encoded in that image, and a password is also given to the embedding algorithm. Embedding algorithm is an algorithm which is selected from the list of available algorithms, and after the process of this algorithm, the produced image is called as Stego image. This is the encoding process. In the decoding process, the Stego image is given to the extracting algorithm. Extracting algorithm is the same as the algorithm selected in the embedding algorithm. Next, a key also provided to this extracting algorithm. Thus the message is extracted from the Stego image. Next, in the data flow diagram, here this rectangle indicates entities, this circle indicates process, and this indicates data store. This is a process is same as encoding and decoding process, and that is explained in block diagram. Next, the execution process is already shown you. Next, future enhancement to this project. In future, we can embed more than one text file into image. Due to this, we can transfer more data securely. We can use more than one key as it increases the security of retrieval of a text file. Related documents. The following books are referred during the analysis and designing of this project. Those are Software Engineering by Roger S. Pressman. Next, Unified Modeling Language by Grady Gooch Ever Jacobson. Next, related website. These are the related websites that use to develop my project. Thank you.